It's a good result. But Ateta still doesn't know what he's doing. Don't go play this set of players against a better team. We will lose. There's no two ways about it.
The problem now be say I don't know when I will lose match again. That be the problem, you know understand? I dey pray say then give me Chelsea for this Carabao Cup now. They tell you truth. Fasting and prayer now they make them give me Chelsea because what I will do them.
Now Arsenal they find hot for that their stadium. Now we and Arsenal get Jamo use them past time. They are Premier Man City come out.
Before this match start, I don't believe say Arsenal go win this game. Leeds United, the team we see this a bit worry big side. But Arsenal to play this game can't win. They do well.
See Kepa will say he like conceding goal. It was Mendy. You can never score Mendy that kind of goal.
Kepa did what he could do to save it, so I will not blame him for the goal. Definitely, even if you're the world best keeper, they will score you. Then they score Noah, then they score Mendy.
Although Martinelli not that bad, but Pepe, deserve to play for the match today.
Pepe can never be that player we want him to be.
So that Chalobah now my man of the match. We are by Silva no day, Rudiger no day. That boy now the next big face.
Welcome to Football Fans Right. Here we interview Nigeria football fans after matches and giving Nigeria football fan content back to back. So if you're new here, please and I beg, click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Here come the rest of the interviews. 9 games unbeaten for your team. Chibuzo, how do you feel?
Joke.
Well, actually, 9 games unbeaten, 1-7 drawn 2.
It's a good result. But Ateta still doesn't know what he's doing. But I will give the game to the players. They are trying. Like I said, coming into the game and bringing life in the past game, in this game. I really enjoy what Lacazette is doing. But the problem is this now. Now we are counting on you. Can you continue doing what you're doing? Yeah. But it goes a long way to tell you what's up with the coach, because the coach, I don't say not come under blasting and the rest, but at least they try for them to get these 9 games unbeaten or something at least. It's trying. Nice result for them.
He made 9 changes today, and Pepe and Martinelli, the notable players that came in today. And what do you think about the performances of those players that came in?
I'll give them average 50. None of them played to impress me.
I know say if they complain about Pepe.
No, Pepe can never be that player we want him to be. We should just do away with him, sell him, or get him out of the team on loan, or just fine. He can never improve. He should look at the likes of Robben, Salah, Saka. When they get the ball with their pace, they press. But him with the ball, he's just waiting for you to come and attack him, and then he slows the attack. I don't have any good thing to say about Pepe. Pepe is just there on the average performance today. But kudos to Chambers, to me, for coming and changing the game. The performance was better. Kudos to him. Outside that, no other person.
And then thoughts on Martinelli.
Martinelli, I've been one of the persons that always cry out Ateta bring in Martinelli, but Martinelli not do anything. Look throughout the match I couldn't see him.
You no show for camera.
Nothing. I couldn't. No. It's not that he didn't have the ball to his football. What impact did he make? While with the ball? That's what I'm talking about. It was nowhere to be found. It was just him throw in cousin Eleni. Eleni just doing normal thing. That guy should be thrown out of the stadium. He should just find a team to go. It's not good enough. It's not good enough.
And then Ben Leno, the forgotten man, clean sheet today, some vital saves.
By now he's not supposed to learn a lesson to some extent. At least no gambling with his passes. At least he had that cautioning in him. Kudos to him. He tried, and he made some brilliant saves also.
Okay.
Kudos to him.
Chelsea still in the competition. Liverpool, they never play. I feel that they go play tomorrow. So what you think Arsenal can go all the way?
They can go all the way like they've done in the past. But it depends on the players and the coach. Don't play this set of players against a better team. Because if you play a set of players, we will lose. There's no two ways about it. Even today we played rubbish. We just had that goal. And then he created another goal for us. We played absolutely rubbish. The game was annoying. I couldn't enjoy the game until Chambers came in and did some little magics. Yeah.
Now fine match now. The problem now be say I don't know when I will lose match again. That be the problem. You don't understand?
9 games unbeaten.
9 games unbeaten. I just the win they go. You don't understand? Some people just they beg for winning. Every time they go to play penalty with small children. They go end up the struggle. I know say why did they always struggle? Now be say that stadium where they did higher and why did they struggle every time? So if you dey under your stadium, how you no go win match? Even though you no win match, you go penalty. You suppose show these children say yes. No be by me scoring 4, you score 3. All those things. These children go miss penalty under your stadium, but stadium where you hire everything no be your own. You know understand? Just like house where you stay. If no be your house, no be your house. But when you dey your village, you always dey proud. Say, if you come my house, I carry match at you. You know understand? So now the team dream for Chelsea now be that. I dey pray say they give me Chelsea for this Carabao Cup now. They tell you truth. Fasting and prayer now they make them give me Chelsea because what I will do them. You know me with young boys now. Now young boys I tell you I get today. You don't be our day. I dey wait for who they go give me next. Whether na Man City or be Chelsea. I know they fair anybody now assistant now for Premier League or Carabao Cup. Anybody. Ben White will be say I don't even know whether na midfielder NBA been a centre back in be. Somebody go just stand like this, go from defense, go carry ball. They run. You go make sure say reach the 18-yard box before you go even pass the ball. So I don't know what the guy they play. Whether na defender been a midfielder, I don't know. So if I think say if Thomas Partey leave in January, we no go miss him because that guy now na defend na midfielder go dey play for us. Rockhold will go bring him back because I see him performance today. If not for that injury when he gets small, that guy he performed well today. But just that the different na be say they are playing from back. Now I never click with him. But you imagine the keeper wey dey our post today, Ben Leno, wey be say he knows sabi play all those back football. So if Rockhold fit dey with Ramsey for that back, I think Rockhold go even get some kind of sense. You know understand? So for sure today, Arsenal, congratulations then for Rockhold. All the 9 chances when do today, there is nothing bad. But the bad one wey dey inside na Pepe. And the Pepe no be player wey supposed to play for Arsenal, he supposed to play for Chelsea. When he get sense, he come Arsenal. You know understand?
What about Martinelli? What do you think?
Martinelli na sure the boy na one kind player wey be say if they give am more matches the more he dey get sense. If they give am small matches the more he no dey get sense. You know understand? So if he get more matches he go dey get sense. How many minutes wey they bring this boy every time? They bring am 5 minutes, 4 minutes, end of match. Then you expect am, you start am for match today, you expect am now to like perform well. You no go perform now. So for sure you go dey give the guy some kind of matches. Even though na 20 minutes, 30 minutes, they give am for Premier League. You dey win 3-0, waiting there for you to bring am that kind of player. Na threat for every defender wey in the face. But just that today, you know, click for him that much. So no, I be big fan of Martinelli, but I no go criticize and say like him no play well, him play well, all those kind of things. Sure, today no click for him, but I need to watch him for next match. Man, no waiting to talk about him. But the lack of Pepe, them no, he never see reach to play. Now all this competition they play, but this competition today match have even big pass him. I don't even know waiting they play. So for sure, for us, 9 changes what they do today, they're very good. But just that Pepe. Although Martinelli not that bad, but Pepe, you know, deserve to play for the match today.
Arsenal figure all the way. Considering, I know say don't say they find Chelsea for the next round, but can Arsenal do it realistically now? More come out anything?
More come out like bias and everything, you know, understand? Just they straightforward. And they that straightforward. The only people where they fair for this competition, where I know say if they win their next match, I know say I found difficult people to play in Man City. Apart from that, no.
Liverpool.
I know fair Liverpool.
Sabi play with this cup where shall they go play?
Yeah, they sabi play with the cup because if they play their main men, you gonna say you play somebody. But if they play all these children, you remember our Carabao Cup with them last 2 seasons.
6-5, I be
5 before you know whether a penalty. I don't even know how the match again. So for sure, Liverpool I know they're scared of them because their coach Jurgen Klopp means I be throw small children. So for sure, if I play this kind of boys today, they go kill all those ones. You know understand? So for Chelsea, I know they fair. I know even the reason Chelsea side made them carry Chelsea give me now. Now wait till I won now as a stand and so because when I play Chelsea, they're on their best form. Me I know they in form. The lack of Brentford beat me. Who be Chelsea? When they go beat me? Chelsea go beat me for sure. But this time around, guy, if I catch Brentford or Chelsea, they go no say yes. Nobody asked now where they first play you before. Now I'm playing you now. So for sure, what do you call them? I know they fair anybody apart from Man City. Now Arsenal all the way for this competition. I don't even post up on Instagram page saying now we get this Carabao Cup this season.
Okay, I know. Say I was kind of before this match started. I don't believe say Arsenal go win this game.
Got the lineup.
Don't believe the lineup. Seeing Leeds United, the team we see this a bit worry big side. And second, Arsenal lineup. I know say Arsenal get big game ahead over the weekend, so I know say the lineup no go dey that strong.
9 changes when you make.
Yeah, now at least now to give those other foot time to play. You understand? At least to even make those other people want play during the weekend get more strength to carry play their game as well. But Arsenal to play this game can't win. They do well. They do well actually.
What do you feel about Pepe and Martinelli? Now this kind of match where if they come in, they're supposed to show themselves, but no end product from both of them today.
Pepe and Martinelli, their game today, they are trying their best to play with the field play, but their best not to show anything. At least
you need to play to impress, do something.
But two of them just they play one side game, no shot on target from both of them. As in, nobody waiting Arsenal one from those kind of players. Those kind of players in a match like this supposed to play game, show say yes, this thing I fit do them. So that when big games comes, if it put you in, you understand. Let me say games like this, you can't play, no get any shot on target, you don't get any dribbles to go, you don't get any pass, assist, all those kind of things you need to go. All those kind of stuff, nobody waiting one from there. Those kind of players, and players who want in matches like this when they show themselves, when they show it, they get inside of them. But today, no fish show, so we just look at them, just go like that.
And then the forgotten man, Ben Leno, clean sheet today with 1 or 2 vital saves.
For me, I know for now, Leno in mind, they go sweet and say, at least I'm still the man. Understand? Like today, now he do well. You understand? He did it very well. As in, keep a clean line, organize in defense, everything go well for him. He try well today.
The next round now, the competition that they get head small. Them Chelsea, them Liverpool still in the competition, and do you feel Arsenal go all the way?
I believe say when we don't get to that harder stage, the game rhythm go change. Arsenal can go all the way. I believe that Arsenal can go all the way, because in competition like this, Arsenal they use and play because they don't get anything they play for. So this kind of competition, a game say you need to play, at least try to show say you want win trophy in this kind of competition. So I believe say Arsenal will go all the way. I swear.
And then maybe if you bring in those other boys, them Aubameyang, the Lacazette, when the competition done the hard.
Yeah, when the competition done the tough, I believe say go play even 80% of a full squad when you don't reach that tough time. But for now, at least I know say our next future go dey tough. I swear, our next future go dey tough. But I believe say Arsenal will go all the way. Sha.
Very good game. Na mixture of ones wey dey inform and the ones wey no dey inform. Very good way. The person who are happy for pass now, so at least those in first touches when he be know they get right. For the first game we play against Aston Villa, at least today he was able to touch the ball the first time, touch on the second time, lay the good pass, touch on the third time, lay the good pass. At least, but for Madan Sarr, yes, the boy is improving every day. Our Brentford match, he was one of our best players that day. Today he had some mistakes. I don't know whether he no good for cup or as a player, whether in a league match be his own calling. But so far, but today he did well. He did well because these Southampton boys, they really try, you know. Then they press high. They know they like Norwich way go sit back, wait more they come out. This one they press us, and that angle of say we don't trash them 3-1 before. So you know go always Premiership no be friendly match. We go always expect person we don't beat today to come wire them again like that. So but a very good one from all of them. Good one.
Can Chelsea go all the way? You feel?
Yes, Chelsea can go all the way. I wish that Arsenal only remain for front. Then forgive us the cup today, but it's not be only Arsenal remain. But bro,
why is that throw straight bullet like this?
No, God. Anytime I look up Man City, I always get tense, you know, because City is a very big challenge for everybody. You know, City is a very big challenge. But I just pray my next round, then they give me Arsenal so that I go see they look front, they go. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, Kepa. Boo been tossing him there for that first goal, and finally he saved some important saving towards the ending of the match, and then the penalty shootout too.
Yeah, he really tried. You know, picking way in fact I get money and then send am to good university. You know, go expect am main do worse. He just to do well. So today he really tried. That first goal, there somehow. I been blame am, but slow motion go also consider say na close range that guy use.
And a hot shot.
Yes, and when a player they shoot you shot for close range, they consider two things. That post dey very big. You don't know whether na up that ball they go on or down. I criticize am, but fine. He also did well for 1 or 2 saves when he make. Where I don't know whether if na Mendy for going for stand look am. So I also give credit to Arozabalaga. Then for penalty, he get this motivating spirit where they always make am feel like say today when I don't come up because say I dey disposed. So na very good one. And thank God say na our second keeper. At the thank God say at least Chelsea still get person like Mendy, they still get am. So na very good one for him. Big credit for him today. Big credit.
Your man of the match?
My man of the match today. Chalobah really commands that defense the way Rudiger on a good day go command down. Then Kovacic.
I feel saying that because of Chalobah and this Malang Sarr, now why Chelsea they lazy to give him new contract? That is Rudiger, because they believe say these boys they improve every day.
No, Rudiger they different from these boys, they improve. Because against Man City they go score and go. I dey tell you. Against Man City they go score and go. Imagine say Malang Sarr and Chalobah they play against Lewandowski with Gnabry. Now those one are different challenge. I don't know is Rudiger play. Rudiger na different monster. Na different monster. But my man of the match today, Chalobah, because he get some experience with that boy they show where people like Ben White never show. You understand? That boy they show maturity. If Ben White dey our team, he go dey bench. If Chalobah go Arsenal steady, in short now they are assistant captain already. You understand? So that Chalobah na my man of the match. Whereby Silva no dey, Rudiger no dey. That boy na the next big face.
Oh, by the way, Godfrey just stand here, cross hand. Go on.
No, he supposed cross hand because in the cry why Arsenal no get person like Chalobah. Na Arsenal dey find hot for that their stadium call. Na we and Arsenal get jam more use them past time. They are Premier Man City come out.
The match go well, but the coach really fuck up.
How you feel?
Because like people like Pep Guardiola now, Pep go use in foot team play you. The way don't they win you now, ain't go change you. But this man now they use premature boys. They play the game. Why not supposed to be so? And watch the last match who play the same team. Even this one the same thing. And a pen will survive for my brother. When you survive 2 penna. So not be so. I will say next time, making try do well next time.
So what do you feel? I want to ask you, what do you feel about the players and we come in them? Saul, Chaloba, Malangsa, them. How you see their performance for the match?
All of them try, but now that's Sir.
In wing league where?
Yes. Almost Sir wing league. Sir really fuck up. But so try a little.
Do better than
Those two hang. We keep us safe. But anyway, sir, the game go well. You go well.
You feel just if you go all the way, win this cup.
Man City did there. Liverpool did there.
You not go easy like that.
I never think first. I never think for this cup. I never think because Man City did there. Liverpool did there. But my belief just to go in.
Interesting. What do you feel? Kepa, 9 minutes. The people they blame him for that first goal, but last he later saved some saving for the 9 minutes. Then he saved for the penalty shootout.
See Kepa will say like to conceive. See normally.
He like to concede.
Yes. See normally he's a good keeper, but he like conceding goals. Yes, he like conceding goals. It was Mendy. You can never score that kind of goal. Yeah. So that is it. But he tried because number one, he's good in penalty. So and he really saved us at least the 2 penalty. Yeah.
Your best player today, Chelsea's man of the match for you.
Man of the match for me, I give it to.
If you don't give Kepa, me and you go get problem.
Man of the match today, let's give it to Kepa. At the same time, yes, in save 1 or 2. In try, I give him Kepa.
A win is a win to me. So, as far as I'm concerned, Southampton is not a small thing. Right from history, Southampton has always given Chelsea problems. So I saw the chances of winning 50, but I'm happy the boys made us proud.
Your thoughts on Saul, Malangsa, and those 1 or 2 other players that are not getting Premier League minutes, but they play today? Yes.
For me, Saul has not really balanced yet in the Premier League. But as for Malaga, I keep telling people, give that guy time. That guy is a perfect replacement for Rudiger.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, give him time. Yes, now it's just like a ladder. You climb one after the other. They don't rush things. That guy is just 22 years. Rudiger is 28. So you see the difference. With time, that guy will definitely get to that point. So they should just give him time. I discovered when I was watching, people were just complaining, this guy is not good. Or more, they should just leave that thing. Sa is good. To me, I'm talking from my own perspective. He's good. He has the strength. It's just that he's still small. Give him time, he will improve. He will work on himself. He's a black man. He's strong. I keep telling people when there is a competition, you will definitely want to win. That is what is happening. We could see from the other season when it was only Kepa, his lapses. To me, the goal today was actually the mistake of the defenders. They opened up for the opponent to get that chance. Kepa did what he could do to save it, but there was no other defender there to clear it out. So I will not blame him for the goal. Definitely, even if you're the world best keeper, they will score you. Then they score Noah, then they score Mendy. So I am not saying the only way I will complain is if you conceive more than one like Dige, conceiving 5, I will complain. But Kepa, no, he tried. He was there.
Can Chelsea go all the way now? Winning the competition.
Hello, we're champions, don't forget. When you're asking me question, remember that we're champions. We're the champions of Europe. So we're still there. There's still the momentum. I believe our next fixture will be tough. They might give us Arsenal or Liverpool to play with. I'm not scared. After all, with 9 men, I'll be 10 men, we drew Liverpool. So I'm not scared of any team as it stands now. I am not scared of any team. So I'm ready.